Once you have bump and work area alerts configured, you may be interested in the ability to be notified of these alerts. To do this, click on Notifications, then click on the top right Add New button. Select the condition. Bump alerts and work area alerts are detectable by the device itself. Then select Sensor. Select the vehicle on which we created the alarm or work area. It is important that the alarm is configured on the device, otherwise the sending of notifications is not triggered. Select the type of sensor on which we generated the alarm and on which we want to have the notification. ADL for work area, acceleration for bump. For example, let's set notifications for bump. We then enter the condition, acceleration greater than 5. We use the same one specified in the alarm, but we can use a different one. Timer, we leave it set to 0. Then we set the profile setup, that is, the P0, P1, P2, P3 entries. Do you remember that we had already seen them in the bump setup? P3 indicates that the device is off without power. P2 indicates that the device is off. P1 indicates that the key is inserted and turned. P0 indicates that it is in a working state. Suppose we want the notification only when the device is working. Or we can also select all of them, and we will receive the notification regardless of the state of the device. Choose not to activate it on the device, then don't update. Set whether you want it active or not. Let's take an example. Suppose we have the vehicle operational, so we set enabled. Then the vehicle goes into maintenance, and at this point it doesn't make sense to receive notifications about bumps, just because it is in maintenance. Therefore, in this case, I would choose not active. Then when the vehicle becomes operational again, I can reactivate the notifications by setting enabled. Finally, choose what to generate, an alert or an email message. Suppose we choose email, then click on the email item, and then specify below the email addresses that should receive the notification. You can enter multiple email addresses, separating them by semicolon. Then click on the Save button. Let's see how to set up the notification on the workspace. Click on the Add New button. Leave Sensor set, because the device detects it directly. Choose the vehicle you set the work area alert on. For Sensor, choose the ADL item. The condition is greater than 1. Then, for example, let's set these 2 moments. Don't update, then enabled. Then email, and enter the email address. Then click the Save button.